Nakalagay dyan TV. Hindi, di ba?
Hindi.
It is more or less nasa ridge. Nasa ridge at center. Okay, you are saying, Britain. Right? Regular or sinus. Pacemaker. Omen.
Dok, may ka-please.
There are times na magkakaroon ka ng release activation. Okay, ranging from 1.7 up to 3 seconds. Matagal na yan. Ang dalawa. Wow. Yan. Umiyedin ko ang puso mo for a period of 3 seconds. Palpitation is like palpitation as the sinus following the pulse. Dahil pagkatapos ng pulse, ang dating ng time niyo magkaroon ng regular feeling, pag-contract na, it is more smooth. Dahil, pag nag-contract yan, napuno ng dugo, ng LV, nahatak ang regular muscles. By the starting the
Oh.
ang magiging contraction niya ay mas forceful than kaya meron after the compensatory pause, hindi sinus pause, meron minsan dito, let's say PVC. Diba? Ito ang compensatory. After the PVC. Now with that, you have better feeling ng benefits. Na-stretch na gusto ang muscle. And by the crack starting difference, na-discuss namin ng pagkakas. Crack starting, iba. We will discuss it next week. Yung contraction na malakas, kaya hamdaw mas iba ng video. Right? Now, itong ganito, i-iimbestigahan na. If not an emergency. Lalo na if it is symptomatic. If you see a sinus pause on your ECG, and your history will show a period of symptom or episodes of symptom, dizziness, lightheadedness, or giddiness, parang nahihimik. Ibig sabihin, the sinus pause is so significant that it diminishes cerebral blood flow. Masyadong kabakal sa pag-hindi na nawawalan ng supply sa utak ng kaya, or hindi lang gear cyclic or cyclic, nawawalan ng pangit. That should raise a risk, a red flag sign, that you should do something more to work out the patient and find out. Okay? Sinus pause, ganyan ang itsura. Isa, okay siya, tapos kita niya yung white part na yan. Tumigil ang sinus, tumigil ang pag-discharge. Tumigil ang ito. Sana nandito eh. Susunod na di ba? Sana nandito. Wala. And then, nabuhay na naman na sino. Tumibog na naman siya. Nag-discharge, kaya back to normal functions. Yun ang science.